Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Rocket Money update stuck on waiting or not even showing up in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. Open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Look for Rocket Money in the list of apps and tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the Rocket Money icon on your home screen. Tap pause download and then tap it again and tap resume download to restart it. If it keeps failing, go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage and confirm you at least have 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space since updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings or in the control center before retrying to if the download keeps failing. And that's it. All you gotta do is App Store pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free storage, try mobile data, Rocket Money update, and that's it. Subscribe.